Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. We got some weather here. Where's your ball? Where's your big red ball? There it is. That's a good boy. He just fell. See that? So we're getting some big fat wet flakes out here, and we got a weird weather pattern coming. So it's like 30 degrees out right now. We got these big giant fat wet flakes coming down. I've gotten 3 inches so far. Super wet, super heavy, and it's gonna be warming up tonight. We're gonna be going up to about 50 degrees by morning, and then this is all gonna turn to rain. And we're gonna get a lot of rain. A couple, 2-3 inches they're talking about. And then this is all gonna liquefy. Everything's gonna start flooding, and it's gonna flash freeze down to 0 degrees in about 4 hours. From 50 degrees at noon down to about 0 by 4 p.m., 5 p.m. So this here is not how it's gonna look come Saturday morning. And we'll be taking a look at that as we go through this video here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. How do you not love this? Pretty as could be out here. All right, boys. So I'll check back in with you in a little bit here, probably in the morning. I'll show you what we're getting then and keep you updated as we go. So we're just getting rain out here right now. Windy as shit, raining hard. Ground's all turning liquid. All the snow's going away. Windy as shit. Come on. Go ahead, you can go potty. Listen to that wind. Alright, just taking Mom and Bear out to breakfast here and get some groceries. Wanted to show you the driveway. It's liquidy out here. We're getting rain. It's the last little bit of the warmth, so the temperature's dropping. We were at 46 degrees this morning. We're down to like 37, 38 right now. Yeah, pouring raining out here. Just about to get hit with the snow and the freezing Arctic cold. This is pretty wild. We're in like the eye of the hurricane. Check this out. So we got a blizzard going on here any minute. But not here, we don't. We're in blue skies, in a little pocket of blue skies. This is crazy.
And so it begins. I don't know if you can see the snow coming down. It was raining just a few minutes ago. Dogs are whining. Thor's burying his ball in the snow because that's his favorite thing to do. And it is getting nasty out. Work called, said, temperature's starting to drop. How do you feel about that? And I was like, yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it there at 2. So, no work for me, off until after Christmas. Hope you all stay safe and warm during this storm. Be careful. Much love.
An update. Shit's changing out there. Watch out. Cold as shit out here. Pumpkin. They're eating pumpkin. Mama bear give them pumpkin. You little weirdos. Alright, well. Shit has hit the fan. Get out of my damn way, kid. You ready for this? Come on, boys. Let's go. Wind is starting to howl. Snow is blowing in. Temperatures have dropped. We're going to the pond. Oh wow. Pond is, it's overfilled over here. Oh wow. So my pond is over. You better stay out of there, boy. My pond is over full. We've gotten 2 days of rain here now, and all the snow is liquefying and melting. We're getting heavy winds. We got a snow twister there. Let's go look at the waterfalls. This is wild. It all just disappears right down there. Check that out. And where does it all go? Comes right out here. Look at this. How cool is that, huh? Yep, down here you got the water falling. Here you had the water flowing. Super windy out here right now. Sounds like a train in the woods. Extremely cold out right now. The wind chill is insane. Yeah, it's all liquid under here. Gonna be exciting coming out here tomorrow morning. Yep, Mama Bear got the rest of the day off today. Get up, go boy! Go boy! Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Go get a ball.
Thor is such a glutton. It's like, I will weather this storm outside. He's a good boy. Get your ball. Come on. Bring it in. Good boy. Come on, Thor. good boy. He's such a good boy. Outside for 2 minutes, covered in snow.
Well, there you have it. That's the storm. It's going to get worse from here. I'll give you some updates tomorrow. Show you what we got. Everything freezes over and gets ice cold and frigid here. So appreciate you watching. Until next time, UncleDruncle out.